Not many interesting things going on at the moment to show everyone. I was gonna do an episode of painting the drill, right? But I started taking a wire brush to it and painting it, and realised that it's not the kind of thing you want to share with people on the internet. I've had a move around because I want to get things in different places. So I thought I'd put the box for that side, because it's going to be, when things go wrong it'll throw it down there, which is fine, and then the drill can go kind of more this way, so it's away from the car for when it's throwing things like that. So that's where it's going to go. Came up really well. I've always looked at this. I've always looked at that paint and thought, cool, it's a bit expensive. It's good. It's really good. I got 3 cans of it, and it did the whole drill, and I've got a little bit left. All I want to do is kind of assemble the bottom and the pillar, I think, just so most of it's off the floor and there. I guess I could try and put the top on it. We'll see how it goes. The only thing that's been stopping me from doing it is the bolts are all minging. Got some bolts that are minging like that, and we've got some bolts that have been wire brushed, so they're just going to go rusty straight away. They've all got kind of a black oxide finish on. There's a bloke who's done a Meddings like swing pillar thing. I don't know what to call it. It's lovely. And he used gun blue on his bolts. It's not ideal, it doesn't last forever, but it's a good kind of get out of jail free card for a bit. Here's my drill to prove that I've been doing stuff. And there's the rest of it. It's an old Dyson. So see, stuff has been happening. And this is my science kit for today. I need to wire brush them completely, over there, way over there, degrease them, blue them, put them in some clean water afterwards, and then I'm going to linseed oil them, just so you know they last a little bit longer. So I'll probably dip them on there, and then I'll clean that off again, and that'll do it. It just seems a bit kind of easier than doing anything else, and I don't like painting bolts. I think I'm past that stage in my life now. So these are all clean. They're about to be dry in a minute, I reckon they'll be dry. This stuff is 1 part this to 3 parts water. I'm going to do it in there. And you just put it in until it kind of turns black. I think you can guess how the rest goes. Pretty good, right? I've not been in here for ages, so they're definitely ready to kind of go together. I did this as well. This is like the lockout for the pillar, so we can get the kind of drill head on the top. It's pretty good, don't you think? Back to like OE standard. I think I'm going a bit over the top with this. Good. Did that the wrong side, didn't I? Not that you'll know. Fucking Jesus Christ. I've got new bearings for everything and I gave this a clean up because I'm not an animal. This is the quill, so this is the drill bit. The taper goes in here. It's a bit of a job though. Technical drawing. We need to press this bearing in the top, so we need it. There isn't a socket the right size, so we need to make something. So that's going to go something like that, sit on there. This all presses into it from that way, and I go level on the top. What do we reckon, everyone? New day, new t-shirt. I've been trying to squish this thing together for ages. I cleaned it the other day, but I think I've stretched her out a bit much. As expected, one of the gears was damaged. That's fine, it would have just about engaged. Anyway, Meddings, still selling. Shame it's not brown anymore, but I guess no one will see it. We'll just put a little in because the seal is guesswork on this. Actually, only takes half a pint. We'll put the full whack in. Can't be bothered to do it twice. Nothing wrong with an oil flush anyway. Always unplug things before you cut them. This is a shame, isn't it? Has anyone got a switch for one of these? Sorry about the continuity issues, a few changes of clothes, bit of hair growth, but I don't get much time out here. Anyway, it's good, we've got a drill now. I tried to take a while before releasing this and just putting everything in one video because I kind of got a bit bored of filming it, doing it. I'm eager to get on with the car again. So there you go, Meddings drill. I need to get some clamps for the table. You see me drill 3 holes. Hope you enjoyed it anyway. It's my kind of rough and ready rebuilding a drill. There's some guy out there who's, I don't know, he's going a bit OTT if you ask me, and that's coming from me. So I think it's a good middle ground. We've got a drill that we can use. You can carry on with other important stuff. Steve, your pedal box will be done at some point. And we can jump on the Skyline. There's some major stuff going on with it that I'm not allowed to film. So there you go. You'll be able to see the output of it anyway.